So this is the Rep Tool Warehouse Inventory and Order app. So the first thing you do is enter your name and location and push save. And if you're multiple users working on the same order or inventory count, you create a journal. So you name it July, for example, and then describe it, count in July, and create that. And then you start counting. So if you push the back button, you come to the settings here, so you can see how many articles are downloaded. So it downloads in the background automatically from the cloud, and you have to wait a bit until it's downloaded all of them. And you can see here that I'm in the July inventory count, and you can change name and location, change journal. You can change some quantity on, which means that if you scan the same item and enter a quantity 2 times, it will sum them up. So let's say I scan Coke and count 10, and then I scan Coke again and count 20, it will automatically sum it up to 30. You can reload the article list if you want to clear it. You can send and clear or upload the list from here. And then you have auto quantity on or off. So if it's on, that means that it automatically adds the quantity 1 for each scan. If you turn it off, it will ask you for the quantity, so you enter that on the touch keyboard, or if you have a physical keyboard. So the first screen that you get to is this, the article list screen. So here you can search for an item with free text or the article number or a barcode. So let me search for KAN. Then you can scroll through this list and select an item, and that will be added since the quantity is set to automatically be 1. So if I turn that off and I go back here and I push another item, it's gonna ask me for the quantity, so let's say 90 here. So you see that's added to the list here. And then you can go to the scan mode, which means that you scan barcodes. So in this mode it will go or wait for you to scan a barcode or enter it manually on the keyboard. So I'll switch over to the device now and show you how that works. So here's a mobile device. So if I'm in this mode here, I simply scan the barcodes. So I'm scanning a couple of different barcodes, and as you see, every time I scan the same barcode, it's added to the list 1. So if I go back and set auto quantity to off, and then I go back and I scan a barcode here, it's gonna ask me to enter a quantity. So let's say 600, and then you can see 601 is added, so we had 1 in the list before. And after this I can go and look at a bigger list and see all my quantities here. And then if I push send and clear and then push send and clear again, it will upload the data to the cloud and empty the device. So now you can see that the list here is empty.